If a little kid tries to talk to you or you want to talk to her, आपने नोटिस किया होगा आपकी कॉन्वर्जेशन कभी कंप्लीट ही नहीं हो सकती unless you give full attention to that child. Try it. Because humans are naturally wired for attention. ये हम सबकी one of the basic need है. Consciously or subconsciously, we all love to get attention. So if we want people to like us, listen to us, then don't just conversate. Instead, connect with them by giving them attention. Because in this world of multitasking and busy schedules, we all are trying to reach everywhere and doing everything at a time, but losing connections. So today, let's learn 3 ways to let people instantly connect with you.
While talking, we often use I in our sentences. No, don't deny, हम mostly ऐसा करते हैं. I wanna this, I love that, I wanna go there. Now let's try to reframe your sentences. For instance, अगर आप किसी new cafe में जाना चाहते हैं and you want your colleague or friend to accompany you, then the way we usually ask is, Hey Sid, I wanna try that new cafe. Wanna join me? Now another way of asking could be, Hey Sid, would you like to try that new cafe? I'm sure you'll love it. Let's go. Little difference of words, but makes a world of difference. That you in communication itself says communication is all about you, the person with whom we are talking. So, if you give a little side to I and get into picture more you, your conversations will be more impactful and people would love to be in your company.
Suppose our close friend or a relative is leaving country forever and settling abroad, and we don't know when we are going to meet them next. In that case, हम उन्हें कॉल पे गुड बाय नहीं करते, but personally जाते हैं to give them that last hug, last kiss, or to say a face-to-face goodbye. Because non-verbal says so much जो शायद कभी हमारे वर्ड्स भी नहीं बोल पाते. That's why हमें अपनी non-verbal communication पे वर्क करना बहुत ज़रूरी है when we are dealing with people. So next time when you're going to meet someone and want to convey how important they are, keep these certain points in mind. Turn your body towards the person with whom you are talking. Maintain a friendly eye contact. Don't stare. हमें किसी को डराना नहीं है. In between, we can lean while listening. You can even pat the person at the back, depending upon how casual or formal your relation is. While doing all this, firstly, we are showing interest in that person, and secondly, we make them feel important non-verbally. As it is rightly said, people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you make them feel.
Third way to make your conversations more likable is to resonate emotionally with people. Simply stated, हमें उनके emotions को match करने की कोशिश करनी है. And this is the very quality we should learn from our mothers. Because whenever a mother talks to her child, no matter what, चाहे वो tired हो या upset हो, but she always talks in the same emotional state as that of her child. If her child is happy, she talks with excitement. If she sees her little depressed, she behaves very calmly. That's why we all love to talk to our mothers, right? So, if you want to connect with people and build relations with them, then you need to be empathetic and emotionally intelligent to figure out others' emotional state and act accordingly. क्योंकि हम बात तो बहुत लोगों से करते हैं, लेकिन हमें वही लोग याद रहते हैं who didn't just talk to us but gave us an experience to remember.